Well, an unexpected twist tonight in the deadly drive-by shooting of 9-year-old Trinity Ottoson-Smith. The admitted gunman is now asking to withdraw his guilty plea.
Dpree Robinson instead wants to go to trial. Paul Bloom is in our newsroom tonight. So, Paul, you were in the courtroom when Robinson pleaded guilty just before his original trial was set to begin. So what exactly is going on here?
Great question, Amy. Dpree Robinson claims he was under the influence of heavy-duty drugs from surgery at the time of that plea and never would have made this admission if in the right mindset. So now he wants that murder trial. Trinity's mom sharing her frustration with this court process, telling me today she will do anything to bring closure for her family and get justice for her daughter.
We don't know what justice looks like, what it feels like, but we do know what accountability feels like, and this was it.
Just minutes after leaving a Hennepin County courtroom in early March, Trinity Ottoson-Smith's father told me a giant burden was lifted, that he now could put his anger aside and begin healing. He had just watched and listened as Dpree Robinson, choking back tears, took responsibility, admitting he was the gunman. His round that struck the little 9-year-old girl as she jumped on a friend's backyard trampoline.
But ultimately, the fact that he had to say out of his own mouth what his actions were, how he was a part of the situation, and what came of that. That's what I needed.
But now, Robinson and his new defense attorney have filed this motion asking Judge Julie Allen to withdraw his guilty plea he entered the day jury selection was to get underway in his trial. The plea called for the state to take first-degree murder and potentially life behind bars off the table. Robinson would instead serve a 37.5-year sentence for murder 2. Robinson, though, is arguing his plea was not accurate, intelligent, or, quote, voluntarily given, that he was still under the influence of oxycodone doctors prescribed following hernia surgery days earlier. Prosecutors telling Fox 9 they will vigorously fight the defendant's efforts here. Quote, Mr. Robinson's frank and emotional acknowledgement of his intentional and shocking murder of Trinity was important for her family and the community to hear. His plea was knowing and voluntary, and he made clear to everyone in that courtroom he was thinking clearly as he admitted his guilt.
And to that point, during his plea, Judge Allen and his then attorney asked Robinson about his mind frame that day. He acknowledged being on Advil and sleeping pills, but told the court he was able to think clearly, nothing about oxycodone. The judge ultimately allowed him to switch lawyers. Now she'll have to make a call about his plea and a potential trial coming up at a hearing in a couple months. We're live in the newsroom tonight. Paul Bloom, Fox 9.